Hello and welcome to your video about the benefits of Essante Organics Peppermint Essential Oil here. It's all organic, non-chemical, no toxic essential oil. I'm going to run through the quick benefits and explain briefly how to actually use this the most effective way possible, okay? So here on the website, you can learn all about this oil, which will help you with any aches that you have, apathy, bad breath, believe it or not, bloating, gas, flatulence, breathing problems, circulatory support, if you got congestion issues and coughing, also cramps, digestive support, equilibrium. I personally feel like it's helped me with equilibrium and kind of making me feel calmer or at least some mental clarity for sure when I have this diffusing. Also, if you have fainting spells, fungus, fussiness in babies, gallbladder support, again, growth of microorganisms. The last video I did was about rosemary Spanish, and that also helps with a lot of these same benefits, including the growth of microorganisms, happiness. So maybe how I'm feeling when I smell this, maybe that's the happiness benefit. Also infections, insects and bugs, intestinal health, mental awareness and clarity, mental fatigue, mild mood changes associated with the menstrual cycle, so that's for women, nausea, relaxation of the central nervous system, respiratory health, sadness, severe spinning, dizziness, shock, and skin conditions. So it is a lot of benefits for peppermint essential oil. Now, if you'd like to place an order, you can do so with the link below the video. Now, before you do though, you might want to know we also have some discount packs, okay? We have some discount packs where you would save a lot more and get some other essential oils as well. So that's an option. And lastly, we have resources that actually explain how to use essential oils. So if you're new to all this, we will teach you right here down on the link below the video. It teaches you directions, okay? So I click this and it explains how to dilute essential oils. So you can put it on like a carrier oil, which would be our jojoba. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Carrier oil. Or what I like to do is use a diffuser, which I have one going right now. And you just add water. You can pick up one of these things at like Walmart or Target. Hopefully you can see that. And this apparently is the best, most effective way to inhale. Most absorbable method is the diffuser. And what I always do is just put 8 drops in the diffuser with filtered water, press the start button, and you're all set, okay? So if you want to start enjoying these incredible benefits today, please hit the link below the video and check it out. You will be asked to create an account to make an order. So let me show you that really quick before you go. Okay, you can create a free account, which is retail, or if you want to get the added discounts, you can make what's called a wholesale account, okay, at this website below the video. You got 1 of 3 options. Feel free. Anyone works fine with me.